well, this Dollar Tree. There's not much, but they have Christmas stuff out. Well, of course, I'm gonna pick up something. Why not? Why not? Like, why not? I don't know. I really, really love these because you get 5 in there. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna get some of these right here. And yeah, you can never get enough. These are gold and pink. They're actually cute, by the way. And then, of course, I was like, let me zoom in. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with those there. So I think I'm gonna grab something else too. Okay, now let's come on over to this section here. These are cute because they have different sides. I flipped it over and look. Oh, this one is cute. Okay, this is cute too. I think I'm gonna grab 2 of these. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the Dollar Tree haul. So, from Dollar Tree, I picked up the Glade brand, okay, and this smells so good. I went ahead and sprayed it in the store, roses and a bloom, and it smells pretty good. And the next one I picked up is Wizard Hawaiian, okay. Did that say resort? Okay, so it does smell very, very good, and I'm glad I picked those scents up. It says retreat, not resort. So I did decide to go ahead and pick up some Prego Classic Alfredo, put some noodles, drop some shrimp in, yum. Okay, I did pick up some pinto beans by Goya. I did get 2 cans, and I did get 2 cans of Alfredo sauce too as well. I also picked up some dessert, or this can just be for breakfast, or coffee. Bread, okay, just have some bread with your coffee and a long grain rice I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now from the grocery store, I picked up a watermelon. I also picked up some orange juice as well as the Kroger brand lemonade, okay? Kroger brand orange juice and homogenized milk. I did get some eggs from Kroger. We also picked up some oranges and apples. Eggs are getting pretty expensive here in California. However, we came together and we ended up getting a dozen of eggs in 2 carts with 18 each. These are the juices, okay? Minute Maid is pretty much the favorite. And we also end up picking up some turkey meat, cereals, Lucky Charms, okay, and some Raisin Bran Crunch, okay, and a Tony the Tiger, corn flakes and Frosted Flakes, some waffles, okay, and we also end up picking up some white bread. This is just a very low budget weekly grocery haul, so go ahead and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, lovely people, so here are some healthy items that I have been incorporating into my diet. So if you happen to want to try, then go right ahead. And before you begin to incorporate any supplements or, change your diet, make sure that you always consult with your physician before doing so. Okay, so now that is out the way, if you want to try it, go ahead. It's been really good to me. I've been really, really loving it. And yeah, it just makes me feel so much better in the inside, and I love it so. And it's been, for some strange reason, my hair has been growing from it, which that's what I noticed, and I just been getting a little bit stronger. So stay tuned for the rest of the video as I cook. Last thing I gotta do to it is put a little turkey on it.
A few moments later.
Oh my goodness, like I think it's starting to be slight obsession, but I want to share, okay? These are different from the other butterflies that I have. That's one. Okay. And then this is two. Okay. They all have different sayings. This one says enjoy the little things. I got this canvas. Okay, only doing this because maybe somebody want to know, or they want to come up with an ideal. Maybe this is inspiration for them. So this is why I've been in here so many times, and I know I said this was it, but really this time this is it. Okay, like for real. Okay, so yeah, this is really it. Okay. Dollar Tree, okay? Dollar Tree. So yeah. Okay, let's see. Yep. And these are the three right here. Now that will be it.